to show you how we remove this $66,000 loan from this client's credit report so you too can learn step by step by step if you have any other negative items or any items holding your credit score back so you too can knock the credit bureaus out. See, we got a $66,000 auto loan removed from this client's credit report. And as you can see right here, even though we removed this specific account off this specific credit bureau from Experian, it only got a 3-point increase. I know. Just 3 points, right? The reason why is because there are other negative accounts and utilization of this person's credit report holding their credit score back, right? And if you look at your profile, when you get things removed, you're probably gonna only get a 5-point increase, a 10-point. When you see the big jump is when you get multiple items deleted and you pay down your credit card debt, right? But there are other factors that are affecting your credit score, especially if you had a recent late payment, or especially if you have late payments within the last year. Guess what? You have to rebound from that, and there are other factors that's holding you back. So when you look at your credit score, when you get things removed, it's not going to automatically improve because there are other things that is holding it back. All right. So yes, this is a win, but sometimes when you physically see this thing, you're like, dang, man, nothing's really improving, but it's actually working. You just got to continue sending your letter in round after round, and then eventually the other items will come off. And then as you're paying down your credit card debt, you're going to see the improvement of your credit score. Eventually it's going to work. I just want to give you some encouragement that it doesn't always look like, hey, when you get one account removed, it's going to automatically improve your credit score, even though this account had multiple late payments, like is holding this person's score back, right? Now, how we got this account removed is based off of the new letter I've been showing you, a new format to get deletions from your credit report, right? So this is to Experian, but you can see the table and you can see the same exact thing if you download Identity IQ, right? You get your account with them. You're gonna see a table that look like this, right? When it comes to your account. Now, it's not going to have the specific Metro 2 codes and compliance and things like that. What it is going to show is the date open, most likely is going to be incorrect. Date last reported, date last active, date of last payment, and payment history is most likely going to be incorrect on your credit report. And you can leverage that to get the account removed from your report. Even though you pinpoint this out, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax do have the right to modify this. They do have the right to fix this, right? According to the law. So just be aware of that, but usually they don't fix it. Just being 100% honest. So 7-year payment history, date last active. So what I said was, this account is not showing maximum possible accuracy according to 15 USC 1681 EB. Open date last active is not accurate. Delete account immediately for violation of 15 USC 1681 EB. And if you look up that specific law, if you're new to the channel, basically what that law is, quote unquote, saying is, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and any other consumer reporting agencies has to ensure maximum possible accuracy when it comes to reporting information to your consumer report, credit report, right? So that's what they're supposed to be doing, right? I want to show you, because I don't want you to think like this is overwhelming, like, man. I want to let you know that you can use something I call is artificial intelligence, like a lot of people is using, right? But you can use it to your advantage to help you increase your chances of getting that account removed from the other two credit bureaus. Now, I know the specific laws. I know certain things that will help this client get the other two, but I want to show you what you can do, right? Because you don't know everything. You're not trying to learn all these different laws. What you can do is just leverage artificial intelligence to help you create specific things based off what I'm saying, and use a little bit of this to help you get the accounts removed from your report. So basically what I say is, see, I got this account removed from Experian, right? How can I get the account removed from the other two credit bureaus based on the screenshots I shared, right? And then from there, let it do its thing. So it said, congratulations on successfully removing the account from Experian. To get the account removed from Equifax and TransUnion, you can follow a similar dispute process based on the screenshot. Bank of America has been marked as deleted on Experian due to violation of 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB. Here's a general approach, right? Review the dispute details. The Experian dispute letter indicates that account was removed due to inaccurate reporting. open date, date last active issues. Use this as basis for your dispute with Equifax and TransUnion. Submit a dispute online or by mail all right? Equifax and TransUnion include the evidence reasoning used for experience, such as a violation of 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB and any other supporting documentations, right? And your IE documentation of your Experian result, quote unquote. Use your Experian result. Like if you get an account removed from another credit bureau, use that as leverage to send in with documentation to the other two credit bureaus, right? Highlight inconsistencies, right? Point out any discrepancies in the Equifax and TransUnion reports compared to Experian updated status. The account should no longer appear. It has been deleted elsewhere, right? Follow up, monitor your dispute status, and follow up if needed, as response times can vary, right? And then what you can do is leverage the same thing that you already done, and also send in the Experian results to TransUnion, to Equifax, that hey, this account got removed from Experian, right? Now, how can Grok help? All right. So basically, you can say is, what other laws can I leverage within the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the FCRA, to remove this account? All right, so as you can see, it came up with other specific laws. So 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB, accuracy of reporting, right? 15 U.S.C. 1681 I, reinvestigation of disputed information, and it just breaks down, right? And then 15 U.S.C. 1681 C, obsolete information, right? If the account is old and meets the criteria, you can request the removal. The screenshot shows a charge-off date of this date. So check if it's within the allowable reporting period, right? And you can use 15 U.S.C. 1681 S-2B, the duties of furnisher. If the creditor, Bank of America, fails to respond to a dispute to provide accurate information during the investigation, you can argue that the furnisher negligence supports removal, right? And then here are specific laws. You can also ask another thing, is there anything else that I'm not seeing? So based on the screenshots and the context of your successful Experian dispute, here are a few additional angles you might have not considered to strengthen your case for removing the Bank of America account from Equifax and TransUnion, right? Statute of limitations, discrepancies across the credit bureaus, payment status and balance issues, creditors failure to respond, potential identity theft or fraud, FCRA 15 U.S.C. 1681B, permissible purpose, actionable steps. Just give you some steps and some guidance to help you get this account removed from your report. And you continue asking specific questions to help increase your chances and doing the things that are required to help you get this account removed from your report. All right. See, AI can help you get these accounts removed from your report. I know it's a lot of information. All right. Just rewind it, take your time, get the accounts removed from your report. Now, if you don't have the time to do none of this, hey, me and my team can do everything for you. All right. And the good thing about this new offer that we're offering is, hey, you can sign up today completely for free, right? And if we don't get your results in the first round, right? If we don't get you the results in the first round, you don't gotta pay, all right? So it's a win-win situation if we don't get you the results, all right? So if that's something you wanna do, click the link in the description. But if it's not, hey, continue watching the videos, learn it step by step to knock the credit bureaus out. I got you.